understanding the components of Google Sheets. First of all, whenever you click on the Google Sheet, the first thing that you will be able to see is this thing called a sheet name. It's better that you should give the name as per your requirement, and you it is a good habit to name the sheet and remember the sheet so that in future you can use it. So I'm just writing components of sheet. Then after this particular sheet name, you will be able to see this thing called as file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, add-on and help. They are called as menus. They are called as menus. Now over here you will be able to see a button called as up arrow or down arrow. When we are clicking on the up arrow or down arrow, we will be able to see certain changes in the menu bar. So this thing is called as ribbon, which is hide it. When I'm clicking again, the ribbon comes over here. So this part is called as the ribbon. Moving ahead, this is a cell. Whenever I'm talking about a cell, it is made up of a row and a column. This one, two, three, four, five, six, they are called as rows, and this A, B, C, D, E, F, they are called as columns. So whenever we are clicking on any of the options, a row and a column is selected. A combination of a row and a column is called as a cell. So when I'm clicking over here, this is called as cell A2. Clicking anywhere will give me another cell. Remember, the numbers are called as rows and the alphabets are called as columns. This A, B, C, D, E, they are called as columns, and this A, B, C, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they will be called as the rows. When I'm selecting over here, I will be able to select a range. This particular range is from E1 to E14. I will be able to select a column. I will be able to select a row as per our wish. So this is one row that I have selected. I will be able to select it multiple rows and multiple columns. So as per your requirement, you will be able to select any rows and any columns. So the blue thing that you are able to see is called as range of the cells. Over here, you will be able to see the sheet 1. If you require to insert more sheet, then click on the plus sign. As soon as you are clicking on plus sign, one more sheet will be added to the existing sheet. This is sheet 2. On clicking, one more sheet will be added, that is sheet 3. So in this particular manner, we have just gone through the UI of the Google Sheet.